holy land of vending machine drive-ins. Some ramen, so we got ramen, chashumen, so you know, this mountain vegetable soba. And then we've got hamburgers, cheese, hamburger, teriyaki, fruit machine, all with hamburgers, fish burgers, or shrimp burgers, chicken burger, karage, takoyaki, taiyaki, octopus balls, potato butter. It's a miso soup and curry vending machine. Free miso just popping right in. Yeah, what can I say? That's really good. So I'm gonna go with the sweet version. Get that style. Yeah, that was really good. Filled me right up.